Welcome back, subscribers, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. This video is really a thank you, first of all, to all of my subscribers who made this possible to hit this 5,000 subscriber mark. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I also want to take this time to take the channel to the next level, which is bring you into it. I want to know from you what videos you'd like me to do next. If you have some projects you're trying to figure out at home, how can I help you to do that? I might take some requests for some videos, and also for some commentary. If you have any questions about how to do a repair that maybe doesn't require a video, I'll answer your questions. Also want to know whether you think I should do a live feed one day. I've never done that. Figure 5,000 subscribers is enough to get a few people on there to do it. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to be able to interact with you one day. And if you're new to the channel, I enjoy having you here full time, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. Thanks again once more to my current subscriber base. I really appreciate every one of you, and look forward to seeing you soon.